Jibble time tracking review and tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to review Jibble time tracking and show you how to use it. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Jibble, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Jibble, it is a comprehensive and user-friendly time tracking software designed to streamline the management of employee hours, attendance, and project billing, in which it is offered for free and has gained popularity among various industries, including construction, healthcare, and hospitality, for its robust features that cater to both remote teams and desk workers. Jibble allows users to easily track time across multiple devices such as web browsers, mobile phones, and tablets, while providing real-time GPS tracking, automated facial recognition for clocking in and clocking out, and customizable work schedules with specific overtime rules. And now to proceed, just click the link in the description or this button, Track Time for Free button. Then you will be directed in here where you can start creating an account by filling out all of this required information or using your Facebook, Google, Microsoft, or Apple ID. And after signing in, from here just click this Create Account button, then you will now be able to be directed on this page. Then click this Create a New Organization, and from here, you can select one or more goals in here. And I'm going to click this one and click Continue. And after that, you'd also fill out including your organizational name and also your country, your phone number, your industry, and the size of your organization in here. Then proceed by simply clicking the Continue button in here, in which the next thing that you need to do is to simply answer what devices will your team be using, and click the Continue button once you select your answer. And also select here your answer, where did you hear about them. And upon answering some of the question in here and filling out the required information, you'll now be directed on this page. So this is basically what the dashboard looks like of Jibble, in which this dashboard serves as a centralized hub for managing team attendance and tracking work hours efficiently, as it provides users with a comprehensive overview of their team's activity. You have here activities for a week, month, or day depending on your preferences. And aside from that, we could also navigate also under the settings option, these people, by simply clicking on it. From here, you'll be able to see that you can start inviting or adding here a members by clicking this Add Members button in here. And upon clicking on it, from here you can simply enter their full name, or you can also invite them by link in here, or via email by filling out this required information. And we could also navigate on the top panel this groups option. However, you must have a premium account in order to navigate or access those one. Moving on to this time tracking option in here on the left side panel under settings. The purpose of this is to enhance the productivity and streamline the management of employee hours, attendance, and project billing. It will show you in here the time clock restrictions, option to choose, recommended, moderate, as Jibble provides a user-friendly platform that allows organizations to accurately monitor how much time employees spend on various tasks and projects. Clocking in, you could also click the button in here on the top panel, while on the right side panel, it will show you to confirm the clock in by filling out this day, the time that they clock in, what kind of activity are you doing, selecting a project, and also adding a notes in here. Then you could also add an hours by filling out this required information. So basically, this functionality is crucial for generating detailed timesheets, calculating total hours worked, and ensuring compliance with labor regulations. Now under these approvals, it will also show you some of the pay periods that has been set up, or you could also set up manually in here by filling out this required information. While on the top panel, you could also navigate to clock in for members, which is also a feature that offer for free on Jibble. Now moving on, aside from this time tracking option, you'd also navigate on the left side panel to working schedules, in which it serves as crucial purpose in managing payroll and employee time tracking. From here, you can click this Add a New Schedule, and by doing so, you must have an upgrade account or premium account to do so. You will also enter here the schedule name. For example, I'm going to enter here Appointment Scheduling. Then you could also choose your work arrangement, days of the week, and also in here the exact number of hours that you want to work depending on your work arrangement that you choose or customize in here. And after that, below here, if you scroll down, you could also navigate these breaks, auto deductions, overtime rules, and many more. but you must have a premium account in order to navigate or access those kind of features in here. Moving on the left side panel, we can also navigate this time off and holidays option, in which it serves as a critical purpose in managing employee leave effectively while maintaining organizational productivity. You can start entering here the name on the calendar or holiday in here. You would also make it default if you want to, and select a country or region in here. And after that, just click the save button to proceed. But moving on, aside from this, you could also navigate on the left side panel this locations option by clicking on it, in which it aims to enhance the accuracy and efficiency of time tracking for employees who work across various sites. By enabling GPS tracking, Jibble allows businesses to monitor the precise locations of their employees when they clock in or out. Now moving on to these activities and projects, you can navigate here or to track the list of your activities and projects and even your clients in here, but you must have an upgrade account to do so. And by adding a new activity, all you need to do is simply fill out all of this required information, including the activity name, the activity code in here, and also assign a group in here. Then click the save button below to proceed. But you could also add a description and also a color for it. Well, under this organization, from here you could also start customizing all of your details in here of your organization, your subscription in here, permissions, and even API credentials. However, on the left side panel, we could also navigate these integrations by simply clicking on it. From here, this purpose is to simply connect Jibble with other popular applications, allowing users to synchronize data across different platforms and eliminate manual data entry. So we can start connecting Jibble with other software in here. We have here Slack, Microsoft Teams, Zapier, QuickBooks, Xero, Deal, and many more. And now aside from this integration, we could also navigate on the left side panel is Timesheets by clicking on it. This option serves several essential purposes aimed at enhancing time management and payroll efficiency for organizations, in which it allows employees to log their work hours, breaks, and project-related activities in real time, ensuring accurate tracking of time spent on various tasks and projects. So as you can see, we can also confirm clock in on the right side panel in here, and also see the approval section, or all of those pay periods that has been set up in here and approved. Moving on, we could also navigate this live location tracking to track the location of our members while working on this organization. And moving on, as you can see, we could also navigate this option called Time Off, in which its purpose is to simply manage employee leave effectively and efficiently. And it allows organization to create customizable time off policies, enabling employees to request leave for various reasons such as vacation, medical leave, or personal time. But now moving on, we could also navigate this report section, in which it enhances the workforce management and productivity analysis. And it will show us in here all of our exported files and different types of report that provide valuable insight into employee time and attendance, helping managers make informed decisions. So basically, this platform Jibble stands out as a vital tool for organizations looking to optimize their workforce management while ensuring compliance with labor regulations. And overall, that is just basically how you can use Jibble time tracking. Thank you.